Do you want to invest in cryptocurrencies but are unsure which software to use as a wallet? It is reasonable that you may not know where to start since there are so many different cryptocurrency wallet apps. Because of this, we invite you to join in our discussion on the best crypto wallets app for beginners. Top 7 Hot Wallets Ever 2022. Let us begin. Number 7. Binance. With a wide range of cryptocurrency trading capabilities, Binance is a leading exchange platform. As a result of consumers' confidence in their system, their typical 24-hour trading volume is $100 billion. Known as the Binance Chain, this cryptocurrency exchange's blockchain is used. A super secure security mechanism at Binance protects your currencies. Device management addresses whitelisting, cold storage, and two-factor authentication verification are all used. Number 6. Mycelium. The finest protection is available on all platforms via the Mycelium mobile app. In addition to keeping assets safe, the program also offers backup solutions in case the terrible happens. These functions still only exist on mobile devices, though. Free software from Mycelium for iOS or Android smartphones offers total protection and a backup solution in case you lose access to your possessions. Every time you make an exchange with Mycelium, you may adjust your expenses. Nevertheless, if you use iOS and are uninterested in this, we have one of the best crypto wallets on our list, a gas-free wallet that natively enables you to purchase crypto in 3 clicks with Apple Pay, so stay tuned. Number 5. Electrum. Electrum was developed with Bitcoin in mind from the very beginning, and it continues to be regarded as the most secure cryptocurrency wallet for Bitcoin. Despite having a few basic functions and being relatively simple to install, the program is extremely straightforward to use. There is no official customer support.
Noted.
However, you may be able to seek assistance from the community if there is a problem. It is quick and simple to set up and use, has top-notch Bitcoin security features, and allows for customizable transaction fees. So if you're interested in investing in Bitcoin, this is for you. On that note, be sure to subscribe to our channel so that we can teach you how to handle your cryptocurrency investments in the best possible manner. Number 4. Minke. With Minke, the first fully developed gas-free wallet on Polygon, you can purchase cryptocurrencies and stablecoins in only 3 clicks using Apple Pay, a local bank transfer, or an exchange.
Awesome.
Minke is a fantastic crypto wallet for beginners since it has a ton of features, including an introductory app tour and instructive tales. The integrated DeFi savings pools, which can be accessed without leaving the app, are particularly appealing to crypto natives. Doesn't it sound great? What about a cryptocurrency wallet that stores your NFTs as well as your other cryptocurrencies? Keep watching because we'll offer you additional details. Number 3. Kraken. One of the oldest exchanges for Bitcoin is Kraken. It is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges, supporting more than 120 different currencies across more than 150 different nations. Kraken now allows Bitcoin futures in addition to spot trading. It is a challenging task to break through its degree of protection. It provides superior security, robust exchange liquidity, and a simple user interface. Additionally, there is a nice customer service team because why not? I have no doubt that the Kraken team is aware of the fact that even if their clients won't adore them, if they provide poor service, their competitors will. Number 2. Exodus. Exodus provides a convenient mobile app for on-the-go and is cost-free other than blockchain transaction costs. Exodus is still unusable and just lately began enabling users to buy cryptocurrency using the app. There is no cloud, so you'll need to sync applications often to keep the information current.
Huge bummer.
Exodus is a capable cryptocurrency wallet with an app that supports over 180 coins and has strong built-in security measures. It can be used for both iOS and Android mobile applications. Although there are no transaction fees levied by the wallet, using the program to send and receive cryptocurrency is expensive. Number 1. Coinbase. Since its inception as Bitcoin software, Coinbase Wallet has developed into a platform that can store dozens of other cryptocurrencies and any NFTs you may have acquired. with the exception of necessary blockchain transaction fees. Using Coinbase is absolutely free. However, this comes at a cost since it does not allow for personalized transactions. Coinbase allows you to store a variety of crypto assets in addition to your expanding collection of NFTs. Over 5,000 different currencies are supported, and NFTs are stored alongside cryptocurrencies. The NFT's wallet may be downloaded and set up for free to examine any assets you have. They keep the bulk of their digital assets in safe offline storage, ensuring top-notch security. Also excellent is their insurance. According to their website, Coinbase maintains crypto insurance, and all USD cash balances are covered by FDIC insurance, up to a maximum of $250,000. So amongst all the crypto wallets, explain which of them are going in for. Remember that they are excellent cryptocurrency wallet applications for novices, so don't hurry with your choice. While you're debating which one to use, watch our video on the top 7 best free crypto research tools to increase your understanding as a newcomer to the cryptosphere. See you there.